Hello and welcome to the new video. Here we are going to discuss about the last type of the chemical chain, that is a displacement reaction. A displacement reaction can be also be said that the replacement reaction or the exchange reaction, because in which the replacement of compound or molecules will occur, or the exchange of molecules will proceed out. So if we write the definition here. So it is the chemical reaction in which the replacement of elements will occur. If I write the equation of the displacement reaction, that will be A plus BC will form the B plus AC. Here we can say that the B is displaced by the A, because the A is more reactive element and B is the less reactive element. So in this equation, the A will replaced by the B. So this is a type of the displacement reaction which shows a single displacement reaction in which a single molecule will displace it by another single molecule, or the molecule which displaces another molecule, that we can say that it is the most powerful or reactive molecule. So here is another type of the displacement reaction, that is the double displacement reaction. In double displacement reaction, the two molecules will replace the another two molecules. If I write the equation here, okay, so this equation shows the double displacement reaction. If we are taking an example for the displacement reaction, here is the zinc solid will react with copper sulfate. They will form the zinc sulfate plus copper. Okay, so in this reaction we can say the zinc is more reactive than the copper, so it displaces copper and form the bond with sulfate. So sulfate and copper will remain here. Another example, that is the chlorine will displaces potassium iodide. The two molecules of potassium iodide and a molecule of chlorine. Chlorine will displace the remaining will be iodine, and that we can say the iodine is less reactive than chlorine. So chlorine here that displaces iodine, that will remain here. Another example, that is sodium in water. Will displace the hydrogen atom or hydrogen molecule and will react with the OH and form a bond with OH. So here these are the examples of the displacement reaction. We will discuss the new topic in our next video. Okay, so thank you.